Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 C43 AMG. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one does have a diamond style grille up in front, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black interior, sunroof. Coming around back, got a rear spoiler, AMG C43 badging, power liftgate, a set of new floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, dark brown linden wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. This one does come with the multimedia package, which is going to give you navigation with command, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. Let's go ahead and put in Sports Plus and hear that exhaust. We got a touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This C43 AMG has 24,868 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C43 AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.